Hello, Greg. Hey, Greg.
Looks a little different, don't it?
A lot different. Let's get in the office here and see what's going on. Huh? What's going on with you, Caitlin?
Not much, just trying to catch up on phone calls and all these winterizations.
A lot of winterizations coming in?
Yeah.
That's good, huh?
Yes.
Let's see what's going on with Miss Waters. Miss Waters. Yeah. Miss Waters. Miss Waters is busy. Miss Waters is on the phone.
Hi, this is Katie with TLC. I'm just reaching out because I saw you wanted to get somebody out there to service your lighting system. If you want to give us a call back at 410-721-2342, we can get that taken care of for you. Bye-bye.
Katie Waters, what's going on this morning? You look stressed. You look stressed.
Just trying to catch up.
Catch up?
Yeah.
A lot going on? Caitlin just told me a lot of winterizations. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
How's the baby doing? How does sonogram go? Huh?
Fantastic.
Anything good?
Yeah, baby would not stop moving.
Yeah?
Which is good.
Moving. Good deal. Good deal, Miss Waters. We'll talk to you soon.
Right.
Talk to you later. Talk to you soon. Talk to you later. Talk to you soon. Talk to you later. Talk to you soon. Talk to you later. Let's take a look what Rudy's getting accomplished here on this floor this morning. What do you say, Jersey? It's Miss Karina. How are you? Rudy's getting his floor all prepped up today, and we'll get all his base done on this floor, get it flaked, and be ready for his top coat for tomorrow. It'll look nice. Did Graydon show up here a minute ago?
Oh, where?
Yeah, he went.
Where?
No, but he said he was back here.
You hit that when you did the sprinklers last time.
No, we don't hit nothing.
We didn't hit nothing.
What?
Nothing. Look. I see it right now.
That's an old cast. Did you replace that yesterday?
Oh yeah, it's old. That's old.
Oh, no working.
Yeah, because
That's
that's
for the
the
gutter.
old gutters. Yeah, this one goes up. No, the yards were up 8 foot deep.
I know he called me yesterday. He said you were and he said he was calling Scardina to get in here to help you.
It was so bad. I got tree company coming at 11.
El pegamento.
Chrissy hadn't left you yet?
She left. She left yesterday morning.
You went down to the beach?
Yeah.
I asked him if Chrissy left yet. He said, yeah, she left. Can you blame her dealing with you? Hello, Greg. Hey, Greg.
Looks a little different, don't it?
A lot different. Can't believe Santos is still working with her. He said you're bouncing checks all over town on him.
Son.
You go up to Miss Shirley's for
I
breakfast?
went one time. I took Chris some Cedar Square. It is expensive.
Miss Shirley's?
I still like the breakfast shop.
How about the Park Deli on the corner? Any good?
Yeah, they got good sandwiches.
Rudy said you're buying everybody sandwiches there today.
I bought them last time. As long as he gets done, I told Rudy, you gotta get done, Rudy.
Yeah.
Why is that?
He give me a lunch, give me a
They're
tip.
siding, and you gotta be at another job tomorrow.
No kidding.
I know.
So what's going on over here? Come on, Rudy, let's take a look over here.
Look, Rudy, there's the wire right there.
Don't listen to him, Rudy. Don't listen to him. He's
we got a truck and
he's
everything,
mentally
so we gotta-
he's mentally unstable after we're down here with Santos. So why'd you put a whole new water line septic in yesterday? Unannounced?
No.
Oh wait, Chris said I thought it was came up all of a sudden and you just
Monday, flooded the basement.
no kidding.
Go in the basement. He said,
Yeah.
it's all busted up.
Shit,
Had to
we gotta
replace
broke
all.
him off an
What
end.
happened?
Sewer backed up. We cambered it.
Oh,
It's about this close. We could have all old. The water line was new for the sprinkler, but we hit it and ripped it out of the vault yesterday. So we had to fix that.
that's when Chris called me.
Yeah, and then we had to fix that. We did a whole new sewer. The floor was still Saturday busting up for the areaway drain. I had to send them to a job because I'm getting yelled at.
So what we got? Is this going to be sodded, Greg?
Yes, they're sodding that. I think all the sprinklers done here.
Santos going to do that?
He's
Yes,
done,
he's
but
doing
he's
everything.
broken.
I believe, Bob, everything is done. Here.
Okay. This looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, all the sprinklers done.
Did the birds leave too?
Yeah.
I bet the birds left. I bet they were crazy. They probably flew back to Florida. They went to Sanibel Island. Who built that?
Newt Sappington.
Oh, Newt? Yeah, I
You
know
remember
Newt.
I had to put a wall in?
Yep,
So
yep.
I did that.
You just put it right up against it.
And Jim wanted to put a fireman. I said,
Yeah.
no, I'll work this myself.
Gotcha.
What do you think about the outside being painted?
I didn't see
They
it.
got a second coat. They're
Second
coming
coat.
Monday.
Who's painting?
Bay Star.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. The house is already painted.
He said the house is already painted.
This side. I got the electric off the house.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it's over
Steve did it for you? Chrissy said that you were going to have some more babies.
here. I might buy my girlfriend's. Oh, you got me on video. He's gonna blackmail me now.
Chrissy, we got him, Chrissy. We got him now on tape. Girlfriends. I don't know.
Did you see all this little stuff? Look,
Come on.
to hide the trash cans. This
Oh,
here.
yeah. That's new since I was down here.
Put this roof on.
Roof is good.
Put this wall in to hide some of the air conditions. Had this made.
Wow.
You're just doing little.
You're just spending all your money.
I know. I'm just trying to clean this dump up. You know.
Dump? It's not a dump. It's your home. What kind of talk is that?
It's gonna look nice, isn't it?
Dump.
It's gonna look nice, isn't it?
Hey, look at this floor in here. Man, look at this floor. What in the world's going on here?
The ground is too far for the place over there. It's too far.
Okay. You think we're going to have to put a lien on this property to get paid, you think? I don't know.
You better put them on all the other ones. Rudy.
Yeah.
Well, we're on the way back to the office here. Check in with the guys and girls. See how their day ended up. I've been running all over the place this afternoon. Getting a lot of little errands done. I want to check in with everybody. See how their day went. And take a look at the schedule for tomorrow. Make any corrections or additions as needed. Crazy rainy period we've had here. It's kind of throwing our schedule all upside down. But that's the life of a contractor. There's always something going on. What's up, gentlemen?
Hello.
Got this GoPro up and working.
Your SD card was on the ground in the office.
Was it?
Yeah.
You know, I saw it somewhere today on the ground, but I thought it was my home office. I tore my home office apart, and then I put my other one in it, and I said to myself, that's going to pop up.
I walked
Literally.
to the office earlier and I looked down and was like, oh, it's right there.
Isn't that funny?
Down by Katie's stairs. Yeah. Maybe if you got up yesterday.
No, I had it last night.
Yeah.
No, I had it last night. Anyway, and I fixed that battery problem too. It was the charging cable.
Was it not plugged in all the way?
I don't know if it wasn't plugging it in all the way, but I think it was running off the computer, and I think the computer, when it was going to sleep, wasn't charging it. So I'd hook it into it, thinking at nighttime it was charging off it, and the whole time it never was charging.
Yeah.
Or only a little bit, and that's why it was variation back and forth. So, anyway. So now I hooked it up to a secure 100% socket and be done with that. All right, Mr. PP boy. Here, you want to go in here? Here, come here. What are you doing?
She's gone.
Yeah, she's gone. This is the next best thing to Carolyn.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You know what it was is I told him when we pulled in, your car was out front, your SUV, so he knew you were here, but he didn't know where. We're over here to see Gary and Graydon.
Hello.
He was looking for Chris though, because he saw his SUV when we pulled in here. Here, stay out of there. Mr. Going to retrieve. Hey, Mr. Retrieve. Hey, Chase, out.
Chase.
Out. Out. Out.
Thank you.
Ms. Waters, how's your day? Fantastic? How come you got your sweatshirt on upside down, inside out?
It's not. It just folded over.
Oh my gosh, Gary, did you see
Isn't
that?
crazy?
That's crazy.
What are you doing, huh?
How was your day go, bud?
Good.
Now you get in the trash, end of
Yeah.
your day.
Yep.
How'd your plumbing tie-in go?
It was pretty good, pretty good. I said they had like it was in the horse barn thing, but it was 2-inch coming in. Then they came over, they teed and went down. I guess
You
goes over to,
teed out of a horse barn?
yeah, well, it came up in the horse barn, teed and must have went to like the house, and then went this way, and then they reduced it down to 3/4 to go through all the horse things, and that's where we came off of.
Okay, good water.
Yeah, well, it should be. It was reading 80, 90 pounds in there, and a 2-inch main, and we were right there, so it should be good. Just they had to do everything by hand. There was so much stuff in the ground out there.
And how'd you make out with the lights?
I changed 5 timers, but I mean, when we first came in, everything to the left was good. The gateway thing was good. The one to the right was the ones I was having problems with. But I changed all 5 timers.
Put all new of them?
Yep.
All new?
Yep.
Anybody up here?
Huh?
Everybody up here?
No.
So we all ready for tomorrow morning? Jackhammer?
Yep.
Yep.
Goggles.
Okay. And then I got a meeting with Crystal tomorrow, and then we'll get that credit card situation straightened out.
Okay.
She's
They
going.
happened to call you, Bob, or anything about my truck?
No.
He wasn't sure he was going to get even a chance to look at it today.
You want me to give him a call now?
Yeah, you want to give him a call and see if he
What do you want me to tell him when I talk to him?
Just ask him, did you be able to check, see what the battery, he did look it up, and he said, yeah, battery, probably a year old at that.
All right. This wraps up this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll talk to you next week. If you like this, give us a like. If you don't like it, give us a dislike and subscribe. And then you can do what you want. All right. We'll talk to you soon.